In 2015, agario took over the world. I bet even your grandma was playing. It started a new era of simple, addictive browser games. So I was wondering, could today's top AI models replicate that game? In this video, we challenge ChatGPT and Gemini to do just that, build agario from scratch. Let's see who comes out on top. I'm gonna start with Gemini, let's see if it can cook for us. And as always, let's switch to thinking. And I actually wrote the prompt in advance so I didn't miss anything. So it reads, can you build a simple agario style game in a single HTML file? I want to control a color circle with my mouse. Pressing the W key should shoot out a little piece. And pressing the space bar should split the circle in two. Add some other colored circles to move around on their own as AI players, because we don't have time to make this multiplayer. The main rule, if a bigger circle touches a smaller one, it eats it and grows. And I wanted to show my current size somewhere on the screen. I don't know why I wrote play area. Map is a better word, so let's make the map a big square with a grid pattern in the background and keep the colors for cell sprite, just like in the original game. And then the legendary sentence, put everything in a standalone HTML file so we don't have to make our own website or anything. And then for tools, canvas, let's go. One of the best things about Gemini is that it's really fast. In a few seconds we already got all this. Okay, so we spawn in. Oh my god. Look how quick everything moves. And everyone is so big already. Okay, I'm gonna have to change the speed, but let's try to survive. Okay, so it works, but there's no menu. I hit someone. And like the score works, but it's so hard to play because it's so fast and there's also no main menu. I can't even get big enough to split. Okay, so the splitting works. Okay, W then. And W also works. Let's just ask it to fix the speed. Alright, let's see if it can manage to fix everything. Let's put it to the test. Cellular Arena. What a great name. Eat smaller cells to grow, avoid the giants, and use the arena to your advantage. Okay, so it's still fast. It's much more manageable. Let's dodge that one. Okay, so the AI actually like tries to kill you. The AI is kind of good actually. Oh, I almost died there. Okay, so the game over screen works. Let's try to survive longer. I'm just dying over and over again. We gotta make it slower one more time. I told it to make it half as fast because I feel that would be the right spot. Start evolution. It feels so much better now, and it actually... Okay, so the AI only targets me. The AI just groups together. They just wander around, but then when they see me, they try to kill me. So it's basically everyone against me right now, as you can see. But the AI isn't splitting, so I can just dodge them. Wow, we got 69 mass. This orange one is getting a little too big for my liking. We're over 100 mass. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. Maybe... Yes. Maybe that one. Yes, 400. What a split. Okay, so that looks weird. Can we feed this guy? No, he just dodges. Let's try like a double split. Yeah, it works, but you get connected again immediately, or you merge immediately. So this orange one is still in the lead. I'll try to surpass him. There we go. He's still a little bit bigger. The AI isn't that smart. Yes, I think we're in the lead now. Let's eat this guy too. 3,000. We're covering the whole map. Bro, I can't... Oh my god. I literally can't see anything. Okay, let's split it up as much as we can.
What the hell?
Yeah, the splitting is not working, and as soon as I eat someone, I just get merged again. But I realized something. In the real game, you can choose your name, and you can also see a leaderboard. So let's see if it can manage to add that too. So this prompt should cover all that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually not sure if this is gonna work, but let's see. Start evolution. Oh, it works! Damn, this looks much more like the original game. This feels really good actually. We got Blobby over here. He's in the lead. Oh, there are multiple Blobby. There are only like a few names that the AIs get. Okay, let's get to the top of the leaderboard. We're in 8th place. It highlights our name, which is nice. What a split. We're in 1st place at only 600 mass. I'm actually really impressed by Gemini. Obviously the AI can be improved. Overall, this is better than I expected. So let's see if ChatGPT can match this. We are here, guys. I've actually modified the prompt a little bit so it includes all the things I missed before, so that we can just get the complete game in one go, hopefully. And don't forget canvas. So ChatGPT is slower at generating the code, but hopefully the quality can make up for it. So if you have little time on your hands, your best option is probably Gemini. It's done now, so let's preview. Blob Eaters, even greater name. I have high hopes for your ChatGPT. Oh, it's black. It's like agario. Okay, so we can see we're starting at 900 mass, so we have to be squishy. I realized that I forgot to put smaller stationary things to eat, so that's why it's so empty. Let's just fix that. Okay, add that to the prompt. Let's see if it works now. No, it doesn't. I can't see any players. I can't see anything. Okay, well, this is a fail. Let's just try to restart completely. Okay, third time's the charm. Let's hope this one works. This one is called Blob Arena. And yo, it seems to work. So we can actually eat these small blobs, and there are some other guys moving around. We can see that the AI is actually trying to kill each other, and they aren't just going after me, so that's an improvement. It seems like when we started the game, all AI also started at like 0 mass, or like the lowest mass. So there aren't like any big players moving around, so we might have to fix that. And oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't even work. I can't even eat them. When I press W, there's no circle, I just get smaller. So it looked good at first glance, but none of the features are actually working. So we're gonna have to tell ChatGPT to fix this. ChatGPT, please get it right this time. Let's see. Okay, we have Goober over here, and he's actually big now, so that means that's working. Everyone isn't the same size. Let me try to get bigger so we can try the splitting. Squishy. It works, I can eat them now, but there's still no challenge. I'm already top 3 and there are so few players around. So splitting doesn't work at all. Nothing happens when I press spacebar. It just can't get everything right. Yeah, we're number 1 now. Not really a challenge, because there's no big players. I'm gonna give ChatGPT one more chance to fix this, and if it doesn't, well, I guess Gemini won. So it seems confident that everything will work now. I'm not sure if I trust it. Let's hope so. And now the code isn't working at all. Bro, I can't. ChatGPT is just letting me down. I was gonna tell you guys to vote in the comments, but I think we can all agree that Gemini won this one. Let me know in the comments which game you want to see me make next. And thanks for watching. Peace.